Hello and welcome everyone, it's Martin here at Crypto Gains. Today there aren't a lot of very exciting developments that I want to discuss with you, so let's focus on pure technical analysis in terms of trading and ideas for today. First of all, we're beginning with Bitcoin versus Tether. We can see that after peaking at nearly 60,000, we saw a retracement, and currently the 57,800 is acting as the pivotal point. The way that I'm reading the chart, the MACD indicator is a bit indecisive, just below 0 on the 1 hour chart. The relative strength index dropped under 40, so on the 1 hour chart the bearish sentiments prevail. Under 57,800 I would be looking to sell Bitcoin with targeted 57,250 and then 56,800 if we dip below the first level. Conversely, once we clear the 57,800 mark, we could be seeing more increases to the nearest resistance at 58,350 and then all the way up to 58,900. Next, we're moving to Ethereum. Ethereum also corrected gains after reaching a new all-time high, just above 2,150. Currently, the critical level is 2,080. Below that level, opportunity is to sell with the initial target at 2,060 and then 2,010 if we break that level. Conversely, once we clear the 2,080 level, it's likely that we're going to rally once again, first to the nearest resistance at 2,115 and then all the way up to 2,150. We can see that on the 1 hour chart both the relative strength index and the MACD indicator are giving us bearish vibes. Next, we're moving to Ripple. Ripple is correcting gains as well after peaking at 1.1. To me, 1 is the critical level. Below 1, as we're trading at the moment, more than likely the downside will prevail with the critical levels of support at 0.94 and 0.91. Conversely, once we go above 1 once again, it's more than likely that the upside will prevail, taking us once again to 0.05 and 1.1. The next idea is in NEO. Looking at the 1 hour chart for NEO, we saw that it reached a new all-time high just above 68 and then corrected lower. We can see that there is very robust support area at 64.2. It seems that we're bouncing off that level at the moment. So to me, that's a good opportunity to initiate long position with the target at the all-time high at 68 and fairly conservative stop loss at 62.7, which is the nearest swing low and also a longer-term support area. We can see that the relative strength index was dipping but stabilized at 50, and despite this crossover in the MACD indicator, I would discount this as a strong bearish indicator, and instead I would see that as an opportunity to enter into on that bounce from that support level. And the final idea for today is in Monero. Looking at the 4 hour chart, Monero is tinkering with some highs that we haven't seen for a while, and 275, which was my take profit target on the previous trade idea that I shared, has now turned into a support level. From here I would anticipate a further bounce, an increase and a rally all the way to 295, and our stop loss is going to be at 265 for a 2-to-1 risk to reward ratio. If we zoom out a little bit, we can see some very positive, very bullish signs happening in Monero. First of all, we can see that the relative strength index has climbed above 70, overbought territory, conducive to strong rallies in cryptocurrencies, bullish setup in the MACD indicator, and if we zoom out further to the weekly chart, we can also see that we're just about to break into overbought territory, which, as we can see in the past, let me move that chart a little bit, whenever we break into overbought territory on the weekly chart, we're registering strong gains in Monero. Thanks for joining me today. As always, keep learning with the video education section and the Crypto Gains Market Insight subsection, and remember to join the Crypto Signals Made Easy channel for lots of insightful articles and trading ideas. Thanks for joining me today and trade wisely. Bye bye. Hey, thanks a lot for tuning in, and if you liked what you see and you're not already with us, click on the link in the description below and become part of the StormGain community. That way you will never miss another opportunity and you will become a more profitable crypto trader. See you soon.